So, user story refinement is a collaborative process that ensures backlog items are clear, well understood, and ready for development. The product owner, or PO, is central to this process. They maintain the backlog, prioritize stories based on business value, and make sure each story aligns with the product vision. The PO is responsible for defining detailed acceptance criteria and clarifying any ambiguities in requirements. This really helps the development team understand what done looks like and reduces the chances of rework during the sprint. The development team is equally critical in refinement sessions. Developers, testers, and sometimes designers examine stories to determine technical feasibility. They assess the effort required to implement a story, identify dependencies or potential blockers, and suggest ways to split larger stories into smaller, more manageable tasks. Their feedback ensures that the story can be delivered within a sprint and meets the definition of ready. Testers within the development team play a vital role by reviewing acceptance criteria and considering potential edge cases. They may propose additional criteria or scenarios to ensure comprehensive testing and high-quality deliverables. Their involvement ensures that stories are testable and reduces the risk of defects reaching production. The Scrum Master or Agile facilitator really ensures that refinement sessions are productive and efficient. They guide the team through the discussion, keeping conversations focused on the story at hand, and they enforce Agile principles throughout. The Scrum Master also identifies and removes impediments that might block clarity, like missing information or conflicting priorities. Business analysts, or BAs, contribute by translating high-level business needs into detailed requirements. They provide important context, explain workflows, and help clarify complex processes that the development team may not fully understand. BAs also assist the product owner by refining acceptance criteria and making sure that business rules are correctly represented in the story. Subject matter experts, or SMEs, provide specialized knowledge about specific domains or processes. They validate that the story aligns with regulatory, compliance, or customer-specific requirements. SMEs help prevent misunderstandings that could lead to costly mistakes or rework later in the development cycle. So, architects or technical leads, they participate in refinement for stories that involve complex design or integration challenges. They provide guidance on system architecture, scalability, security, and maintainability. Their insights really ensure that technical constraints are addressed early, reducing risks and avoiding architectural issues down the line. In some cases, UX and UI designers are included to provide input on user interactions, interface designs, or even accessibility considerations. Their participation helps make sure that user stories are not only functional, but also deliver a really good user experience. This kind of collaboration helps avoid those last-minute design changes that can pop up during the sprint. Key stakeholders or end users may be invited when clarification is needed for critical features. Their input is super important because it ensures that the story actually meets business objectives and user needs. Engaging stakeholders early in refinement really helps reduce misunderstandings and increases confidence that the delivered feature will provide value. During refinement, all participants work together to break down complex stories into smaller, actionable tasks. They identify dependencies, risks, and technical considerations, and make sure that acceptance criteria are clear and testable. This shared understanding helps reduce ambiguity and improves predictability for the upcoming sprint. Ultimately, involving the right mix of roles during user story refinement creates a well-rounded view of each story. By combining business knowledge, technical expertise, testing insight, and user experience considerations, the team makes sure that stories are ready for development, align with product goals, and can be delivered efficiently. This structured collaboration really strengthens team alignment and contributes to higher quality product increments.